Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now, today we're going to be making my Szechuan glazed buttermilk fried chicken burger. This burger is really easy to put together, but it delivers on so many levels. So let's make this burger together. Let's get right into that recipe.
So to start a recipe, we're going to marinate our chicken breast in buttermilk, preferably do that overnight. Next, our Szechuan sauce. So I'm going to make a caramel out of light brown sugar, to which we're going to add garlic and add some chili flakes, and this is typical of Szechuan cuisine. Once you've added your garlic and your chili, cook this out, and we're going to add some fresh ginger. Next, onto our Szechuan pepper. So it's different to black pepper, as it has these lemony overtones and gives you this really interesting tingling sensation on your palate. So some mirin for acidity and some soy sauce for that saltiness. And the secret ingredient, tomato ketchup. That just brings that sauce together. So you should have this beautiful glaze. So set this aside and we'll strain off when cool. Now to dust and coat our buttermilk chicken, some flour, cayenne pepper and garlic powder. Place your chicken breast into the flour, coat generously, then straight into our fryer. We're going to cook this for about 5 to 8 minutes at 160 degrees till this beautiful crispy crust forms on your chicken breast. Now we're just going to glaze this with our Szechuan sauce. So we've got our toasted brioche bun and some mayonnaise with more of that Szechuan pepper in the mayonnaise. And just assemble. Bun, lettuce, glazed fried chicken. So here is our Szechuan glazed buttermilk fried chicken burger. Done.
Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and see when that next video is going to come. I'll see you next time.